Hello everybody, this is a tile machine of art and molds. It's called tile machine AM365. This is a powerful tile machine if you want to launch your business to produce cement tile. This tile machine is powerful. We ship them, or ship it via a container by this wood box. This is incredible and an excellent tile machine. This is the power engine here. This is the table. It's important for two stuff. This is the first table, and this is the second table. This is the center of pressing. This is the above of pressing. This is the box of electricity. It's so